Hi guys, for this week challenge we need to create appointment feedback automation in which we need to collect automatically feedback from our clients after their appointments. So for this case we build this Airtable base and we use the real world example. So first let's understand how this workflow work and then we can see each step individually. So let's say we have a dental clinic like Bright Smile and they want to collect feedback from their patient after their appointment. They use Airtable to manage patient appointment and track when appointments are completed. So when the status show is completed, we need to send an email to the patient with the form link, feedback form. Once the feedback form is submitted, the response need to be automatically stored in our Airtable base in this feedback survey table and link to the particular patient record IT. And after the when we get the survey responses in this table, we will we can see all the results in this dashboard. We create this dashboard because the goal of the survey is to visualize our survey results so we can make fast and better decisions. Like we can see this graph and we can see Dr. Blake have the less rating compared to the other doctor performance, dentist performance. So it means Dr. Blake need more training so he can improve it, and all other things I explain you later on. So let's first understand this table base. This is the table DB patient where we store all the information related to the patients, like the name, email, phone number, their date of birth and address. This is an appointment table and this is our main table. We can connect it with this patient, so like with all other people. So and this is the date of appointment where we set the date of for the particular person. We can change it to appointment date. So and this is the service type. We offer three services we store here: cleaning, filling and root canal to this clinic, and the description, duration, the base price for this particular service. Then we have the dentist. We have this lookup from this dentist table where we have three dentists: Dr. White, Green and Black, their specialization and their email address. So we can see with is comes for cleaning service with Dr. White, and this is we use for track the status of the appointment, like schedule, completed, cancel or no show. So we can track this, and this is simple notes, and this is important part for survey form. Here we use this Airtable formula to track our survey UTM view email for each person. We simply concrete two things, like we use type form for feedback, appointment feedback. When you can see it, we have like 6 questions. 4 are rating based and one is yes and no and other is long text comment. You can simply add content here and choose anything like rating, the ranking, the open scale, the short answer, long answer, multiple choice, and add, and you can customize this. So it's easy part, you can do it by yourself. All we need when we create our survey, we come here, we copy this survey link from here, and in our table we can paste our link here, and with this link I can connect or means add this email address of the particular person, because this helps to track our survey form for each patients, and this will help in our make scenario when we need to search record, because with email or we can use the Airtable record ID too to track the individual patient record. I explain you in the make automation step, and this is overall experience. We can get the average from our feedback survey. So here is the survey table where we store all the survey results here, and it's done by automation. This is all the question, then created and record ID, and this is the two table I explained you earlier. So this is our main table where our automation trigger. So right now we do I explain you everything manually. So we set up this Airtable automation when we see the table DB appointment where status is completed. So let's choose a record for schedule is completed, and when back to the automation we choose a record for Ved, and then we run this script. It is a simple script we use to call the make automation webhook. So we run this or first automation, and we can see here it's run one time. So when we test this automation and send this information view webhook to this next scenario, what it does is catch the webhook, and then we get a Airtable record, and then we send an email to the person. The main thing is here we just need email address to the particular patient, and then we have the customized subject and the content body part, and we can link our form in this particular place. So our automation is complete. We send an email to the patient. Here we get the email, and here is a survey link. So when the patients click on this link and fill out the survey, let's see how it works. So we fill this survey. Let's see. This, yes, good. So when we submit the survey, it trigger our this second automation. So let's see how this work. It watch the responses from whenever the new form is submit, and then we search records. So we search our DB appointment table, and we use email to track to find the particular patient record. We use this. We already use this survey link with adding of UTM to track the email. So this help us here when we need to find search record, and then we simply update our base with all the survey results. You can see here we have all the survey results here, and this update in our base. So let's see how this works. We run this and submit this form. When we submit this form over this automation, so here we see we update all the survey result in our base here, and we get the record for Ved. So we get the survey result, but this doesn't help us, because the goal of the survey to make a decisions, and where we see where we are lacking, so we need improve. So we build this dashboard here to using in this same base. You can see the preview here. So, and when we see this dashboard, we easily can understand how our survey response was. So you can see the 5 people response to this survey, and we can see the dentist performance, like Dr. Blake need more training to get better results, and area of improvement for different services. We need lacking services for root canal, so we can improve it. And we can see the successful appointment over time, how many appointment in a day we can, and this is for individual patients, their rating for their individual questions. So this is the goal of the survey, so we can make a quick and well informed decisions. Hope this helps you.